Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri and today in this video, we are trying to complete the third portion of the argument passing in our Python function, and the third part is the default values. But before that, please have a look over the first part is the positional arguments, and the second one is the keyword arguments, in which we can pass the values. So apart from these two, for passing the arguments, we are trying to discover the third one is the popular one known as the default values. So default values, as said, is defined for each parameters when writing the function. Writing function means while defining the function. While function definition, we normally say the function definition, and as you remember, the two parts of the function is the first one is the function definition, and the second one is the function call. We normally say function calling. So we right now are dealing for the default values in the function definition part. So if arguments for the parameters is provided in the function call, as we provided in the function call, that means in the function definition, Python uses that. That means Python uses this one and doesn't wait for whatever is provided in the function call. But the thing is that it will use over here, and if it is provided over the function call too, it will override that. We will see how. So if not, it use the parameter default values. So default values means it's described over the function definition. That means over the function definition, or described over the function definition. So how? Something like this. Here, function is defined with two arguments, and the first is name and another is favorite car, as we did before, and we have provided a default value as a Toyota. So Toyota is a default value. That means if not provided over the function call, then it will by default use the Toyota. Like sometimes the people use for the middle name. Middle name they try to use because many people doesn't have the middle name, and they use something blank or blank string values for the middle name. So when we define a default value, we can exclude the corresponding arguments. We don't have to worry about that because the Python takes care of that. So that means we have some benefits. The first benefit is that we can simplify the function call. The function call means, as I said, the second part would be simple, and we can also clarify the ways in which functions are used. So function seems now more clear as we are defining the default value. So something like this. For right now, to call the function, we can call with only one keyword argument. So with one keyword argument means only name. So if we use only name as the Gabe, then by default the favorite car is given. Then you will have the Gabe's favorite car is Toyota. And sometimes something like this. So if we give the name as the Haruki, for the next another function call, it will update with the Haruki as the Toyota. But here we have the Haruki and Audi. So that means, so we need to provide the Audi with that. I mean, we have to provide the another one. So this one we have given, and we have provided the second one for the favorite car is Audi. That should replace the Toyota. So we will see how we can replace in our exact program implementation in the Google Colab. So the program is here, is defined so simple using the def keyword. We have described the arguments with one arguments as a default as a Toyota, and the same two line of code as we have been using the actual code in the function body for the last two programs. So if you haven't watched the last two programs for the positional argument and keyword arguments, please watch that and you will be more clear about this program. So I will post the link of the above two videos in this video too. And the only thing is that we have called the first time with only one parameter using for the name only so that it can use the favorite car. And then the second time we have used the favorite car as Audi and provided the name as Haruki in the reverse order. So you already know after seeing the program in the keyword arguments. So if you have ordered the reverse also, the Python matches that. So it was just only the problem for the positional argument, the first one. The second one, the keyword arguments, doesn't have the problem. And right now we are using the keyword arguments over here with the default values too. So let me run the program. So if we run the program, we are getting exactly the same output what we were getting. And I have attached the portion of the output in our PPT too. So the only thing is that over here, if I go and call with the name is Haruki, so then it should have the second time also. This is our second function call. If we made this, then the second time also Haruki has the favorite car is Toyota instead of the Audi. Okay. So yeah, so the first time gave, this is our first call, this is our second call, and for the third call, we have employee Haruki as the Audi because we have provided the favorite car as Audi, which replaces our favorite car defined in the function definition. So you already know whatever we have defined with the def keyword is the function definition, and this is our function body that ends over here with two lines of actual code, and then we are over here in the function call part with the 3 function call. So I hope it helps you, and thanks for watching.